Hi, I'm Megan Matthews. Welcome to Sweets You Can Eat. We are going to make today healthy chocolate frosting. Here I've measured out all of the ingredients for this healthy chocolate frosting. To get the measurements of the ingredients and the actual recipe, click the link in the description. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with extra hot coffee, which I have made extra hot and fresh. And I'm gonna add my dates. I'm gonna take dates. I have chopped them. These are beautiful pitted medjool dates, which I have chopped, and those are gonna go right down into the coffee. I'll show this to you in just a second because it's kind of fun. These dates are gonna soak while I make the rest of the recipe. So there they are, soaking to gather up that beautiful coffee flavor. All right, so now we're going to take a saucepan and we're going to get this onto the stove. I'm going to add a half a cup of your favorite non-dairy milk. It can be rice, it can be almond, it can be soy milk, it can be coconut milk. I'm also going to add to that a half a cup of maple syrup. Beautiful. So all we're going to do is take that right over to the stove and heat it. So here we go. And I'm not going to bring this to a boil. I'm going to just let it heat. After just about a minute and a half, I've got this hot but not boiling. So I'm just going to bring that over, and this is the magic. So watch as we add the chocolate chips, and I am not even going to stir. I'm just going to let them soak up and melt, naturally melt. And I'm going to leave that while I come over here and I'm going to get my avocados ready. This is the secret to this recipe. These avocados, I'm going to use 3 large avocados. I'm going to break each one open. I'm going to get them into the blender. And what this is adding to this healthy chocolate frosting is fat. Frosting needs a lot of fat, and it also needs a consistency of a beautiful, firm blend. So that's what this does. The avocado holds the firmness of the frosting. And I'll tell you, the flavor combination of avocado and chocolate, they pair beautifully. All right, now that we have got the avocado, now we're gonna pour in our dates and coffee. Those go right in. We're going to lastly add in the vanilla. So here is a teaspoon of vanilla, and I'm just gonna do the smallest amount of salt, just a little splash of salt, and here we go. Let's see what happens. Now that's creamy. Okay, so check this out. This is some creamy green frosting, but we need to add the chocolate. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this avocado date mixture into a bowl in order to add the final ingredients. Okay, now that we've got the avocado there in the bowl, we're gonna see what's going on with this chocolate. So here are the chocolate chips, and they have been soaking in that hot liquid, which was, remember, maple syrup and a plant-based milk. So look what's happening. As I stir, we start to get a glossy coat on the chocolate. It's completely melted, and it's now really blending and starting to actually thicken. And you watch, as I stir, it gets thicker and shinier. That is one of the magical qualities of a good chocolate. So here we go. We're gonna pour, and we're gonna turn this avocado frosting into chocolate frosting. And we have one last ingredient while I start to incorporate that chocolate. My final ingredient to make it a double chocolate is cocoa powder. So there we go, to make sure that we have that real solid chocolate taste and chocolate flavor. Now, also, that cocoa powder is really gonna quickly bind. You notice how everything is thickening right before your eyes? So it's incorporating all of that. You should smell this. I really smell the cocoa, and I can smell the vanilla. So there we go. There you have it. That is pretty much all you need to do for healthy chocolate frosting. And this will be beautiful on chocolate cupcakes, vanilla cupcakes, or anything you want to use it for. But in the meantime, oh, they're so good.
Hey, Megan.
Hi, Patricia.
I heard you made chocolate frosting.
I did. This is delicious.
Can I
Take a
taste
taste.
it?
Yes. What do you think?
It's delicious.
Is it good?
It's very rich. It's very chocolatey.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh.
You know what's really great about this frosting is, of course, it's made of avocado, and it is vegan. It's gluten-free. That's, goes unsaid. And what's really great about it, actually, is that it has a lot of antioxidants because it's got this organic avocado, and on top of that, it's got coffee. So I think the coffee, I think she likes it. I think the coffee plus the chocolate, it works. It works really well, doesn't it?
Gosh. Can I lick the bowl?
Yeah. I don't know if there's going to be any left. Get that out. And we're almost there. We've got, again, 3 whole, whoops. I slice it open quickly. Bring it in half. Whoops. Boy, this one's is quite tough. There we go. Touch it with the knife. Whoop. Touch it with the knife and twist. There we go. Okay. This guy is really stuck. This guy is stuck. Okay, here we go. We're going to move this pit. I've never had an avocado do this before. Oh my goodness. This avocado does not want to give up. To open an avocado, I slice through to make a half, and then I open up the half without the core, use that, and then last I use a knife. This is the worst avocado ever. This particular one is just being terrible. So I'm gonna do this, but normally I, don't show me doing this.
I'm definitely gonna show you doing this.
No, don't show me doing this. Okay, for the last avocado. That was a difficult avocado. Let's see what happens.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer.
It's that one avocado is killing me. Oh, that avocado. The death of me. Man, I thought they were all right, but it felt really good. You are knucklehead. That one is just being a pain.
Was it not ripe yet?
It was just not quite. It felt it on the outside, but then when you got there, it was not. We're gonna do a little bit more, okay? Ready? And now I'm gonna see this. Pinky, are you helping me? Are you going to help me? Are you going to help? Are you helping? Are you helping the baking? Are you helping the baking? Oh, he says, "Be quiet, mommy." Hey, like and click notifications and
Subscribe.
subscribe. That's a good one. Bye. You're still going.